certainly seeing a brisk evening.
Yes, it is.
A warm day.
Yeah, just like meteorologist Katie Jacobs is going to tell us about. In the 40s and going to dip even farther down, it sounds like.
Yes, guys, this is going to be much colder, a stark contrast from what we had earlier today. Many of us were walking around with short sleeves on today.
That's me.
And we'll have the coats for tomorrow morning, and then we'll be back to the short sleeves tomorrow afternoon. So,
Wild ride.
Yeah.
yes.
Hang on.
Buckle up, hang on, because we're not done just yet. For tonight, it is clear. So we're drying out, continuing to dry out from all the rain we had over the weekend. So a beautiful view coming in over uptown Charlotte tonight. Checking in right now, this is how we did today. Perhaps our report card from this Monday. 66 was the high today. On average, we should be around 56. So a nice warm up today, also dry, and we have a surplus of rain so far this month. We have 1.5 inches more than what we typically will have for the month of February thus far in the month. Meanwhile, temperatures coming in around 45 in Concord, 50 in Charlotte, 40 in Lincolnton, Statesville. Your current temperature now is 42. Yes, it's cooler tonight compared to what we had earlier today, but get this, we're still warmer than where we were this time yesterday by at least 6 to 8 degrees. And it gets even warmer for the week. 68, that's my forecast for tomorrow. Perhaps I'll shave off 3 degrees for Wednesday. More clouds will move in, but still we'll have a nice surge in our temperatures by Thursday out ahead of a cold front. And you can see the impacts of that front by the weekend as we'll fall below average into the mid-50s for Saturday and a slow climb back towards the low 60s for the second half of your weekend. So here's what's next. A big warm up. You'll see it coming up by Wednesday and Thursday, highs in the 60s and low 70s. But rain is coming back. We'll add rain back to the equation for the second half of the week. It's not going to be a washout on any particular day, but you can see an 80% chance of rain for Friday, likely to happen the first part of your Friday, so it could have some implications on your morning commute, so be mindful of the widespread rainfall. So take a look at the maps here. The timestamp, this is Thursday at 5 p.m. Very warm. We'll have cloudy skies, scattered showers likely for the first part of your Thursday. The rain, as this front gets even closer, those rain chances will increase. The coverage will expand, covering more ground for Thursday night and Friday morning. So Friday morning, 8 a.m. could be a messy morning drive, but then will dry out for the second half of your Friday. If it continues to move at the same pace as we're forecasting now, for the weekend, high pressure comes back, and that is going to wash away those rain chances, suppress those rain chances for those weekend plans. But tomorrow is a big day. It's Valentine's Day. So here's what you can expect for tomorrow. We'll have a quick warm up by 9 a.m. already at 45, 60 by noon, 67 by 4 p.m. You got a roof and 7-day forecast. So a little bit of a roller coaster ride with those temperatures, but nonetheless, we will stay pretty warm for this time of year over the next few days. And then the weekend comes in cooler and drier.
All right, KJ, thank you.